Good morning. So Cruise family again on another trip. This time we are in Canyon Woods after Tagaytay. So sa dulo siya. It's along Nasugbu. So this is the Airbnb of pinsan nila, Mrs., sila Reggie, sila Rian, sila Rich. Yan, pinapa-Airbnb nila to. Beautiful place. So this one is new. Nilagyan na nila ng pool, tsaka ng extra room here. Kasi dati, 2 years ago we've been here. Ito pa lang yan. So, dyan lang kami dati. So, ngayon may pool na. Perfect for the kids. Kaya, nagaya nga ako ngayon para for us to bond. It's Friday, holiday, and holiday din sa Monday. So, it's a long weekend actually. It's August. So, the whole gang will be here. So, si Miko, kapatid ni Mrs. is here. Kasabay namin pumunta with his family. Tapos si brother nila, si Richie, papunta na. And syempre, yung may-ari nito, sila Rian, papunta na rin. So, here is Anika. So, here is the house. Beautiful house. May wifi yan. May TV. May Netflix na. Dito tayo kakain. And bahay talaga siya. So, everything you need. May water dispenser, coffee maker, lababo, diyan kayo magluluto, oven, toaster. Bago pa yung ref. Dati hindi ganito to eh. Ayan no. So, ito yung first floor. May CR din. Then, yan. Extra, kung gusto matulog dyan, pwede. Then, pakita ko yung parking space natin. Ito, kapitbahay natin. Maganda dito sa Canyon Woods. So, why would you go here? If gusto nyo ng medyo malamig-lamig na vibe, Baguio vibe na malapit lang. Not as far as Baguio. You go here. So, ito yung parking space. Can accommodate 4 cars inside. Outside pwede. Yan, ito yung vibe. Very nice, no? Ito, cabin type na bahay. So, lahat ng bahay dito sa Canyon Woods, ang alam ko, pinaparent for Airbnb. So, corner lot, yung kila Rian. Yan yung house nila. Tsaka, lagi nilang inaayos yan, ina-upgrade. Para sa mga guests nila. Kasi, when the house is new, or bagong renovate, mas masarap yung feel, di ba? So, here's the garden. This house pala can accommodate 20 packs. More than 20 packs nga ata. The rate ata is 20,000 per day. I'm not sure. Kasi libre lang naman. Si Mrs. kakagaling ng trip, diretso dito. Warrior. She went to Paris. Olympics, nagbakasyon. Hindi mo kami. Ayan, swimming na sila. Si Gab, nag-swimming na yung Miko. Ayan. So, akit tayong taas. Pakita ko yung rooms. Here is the second floor. Yan. Okay. House is big. Ganda. Very cozy. Room number 1. Ito. 1 bed. Kasya dalawa. With a beautiful view. Ito. Buksan mo lang. Parang gusto may hangin, pumasok. Beautiful view. Oh, diba? Then, room number 2. Ito malaki. Ito yung CR. Oh, ganda na CR. Diba? Everything is nice. Kaya, sila Rian, good job. Sila Reggie talaga. Minamaintain nila yung bahay. This is room number 2, upstairs. Yan. Beautiful CR. Dito kami nagstay noon. Ngayon, di ko alam saan kami mag-stay. 2 years ago, we were here. So, ako, I want every year. Punta kami dito because I really love the place. Canyon Woods. May balcony ka pa. Oh, with this view. Bang! Diba? Tsaka yung weather ngayon is kinda chilly. Nasa 27. So, saktong-sakto talaga. Actually, yung pinunta ko dito yung pine trees, yung bahay, maganda. Then, bango. Talagang ang layo sa Metro Manila, no? Yan yung mga bahay. So, big deal talaga na may pool na para may magawa. Ayan, oh, mamaya. Diyan kami lahat mamaya sa pool na yan. So, you can bring your own food, you can cook. Tapos may andyan si Manong to help you out kung may kailangan pabili or something. May generator. Just in case mag-brown out. Although hindi naman nag-brown out. Ito yung master's bedroom. Queen size bed. Yan. Alright? Hindi ka, busy sa TV. Dami dalang toys. Oh, nag-enjoy. Hindi niya matandaan yung last time, 2 years ago pa kasi yun. Tapos may medyo COVID pa yun. Sayang nga. Pwede rin aso dito. Eh, nahiya lang ako kay Rian kasi malaki si Clark eh. Pero last time, dala ko si Clark. Kasama namin si Clark dito. Pwede naman sila dito. No? So the vibe is very relaxing. Talagang gusto ko dito. Kung tiyatamad ako ng Baguio, this will do for me. Malamig-lamig yung weather. So yun, alright. So we are waiting for Rian, yung may-ari. Kasama niya, anak niya, sila Richie. Then, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga gagawin namin. Wala naman, luto, kain, inom. Tapos bukas kasi, is Saturday, hindi pa namin napuntahan yung Yoki's Farm. So malapit lang dito yun, it's about 30 minutes away. Pupuntahan na namin yun for the kids, no? Alright, see you later. 6 o'clock, update. Quite chilly. Nasa 25 degrees na. Here in Canyon Woods. Talagang sarap ng weather, biglang lumamig. Kanina uminit, pero ngayon lumamig. Anak ni Rian. Here's Rian, by the way, the owner of this place. Thank you, brother. Richie, our VIP. Kaya meron kaming labas ngayon dahil because of this guy.
Dapat lang.
Cheers pa yan.
Pag ako nag-imbita, everybody
Oh, ayan. So the whole gang is here. Oh. So kompleto na kami. Ito lang, chill lang, inom. It's a long weekend ahead. It's Friday. Then Monday, holiday pa. Uwi na kami Sunday. Jacob is here. Yan. So nagluluto na sila, nagre-prepare for dinner. And we are drinking. So yun lang. Alright. Alright. So it's dinner time. It's carnage here. Sophia, say hi to your future self. Hello. So it's dinner time ito. Shabu-shabu. Shabu-shabu. Meat. The veggies. May kaldereta yan. Because ko yan. Kaldereta. Then ito, dala nila Jen. Owner of this place. Yo, shabu-shabu type. With the meat.
Who's crying?
Lasing na. Nakatatlo na kaming Tiger Black. The best ng Tiger Black. We love this shit. So it's dinner time, it's 7. Yun lang, chill. Tapos medyo umulan ulit. But it's kind of foggy already. I don't know if you can see. But yan, medyo foggy na. Yan ang pinunta namin dito. Yung the weather. Chilly na. Malamig na actually. Pwede na mag-jacket. So, yan. Ilang kaya kami dito? I don't know. More than 20, I guess. So, kasyang-kasya sa lugar. Thanks kila Reg, kila Jen. So, alright. So, getting ready for the dinner. Malamig. Lakas sa ulan. Biglang umulan. Weird. But it makes the vibe more cozy. Kasi nga mas lumamig. Pero lakas sa ulan actually. Bumuho siya. Sakto, bagay yung food. Shabu-shabu. And it's really cozy. Ayun na, may mga fog na. Ayun. Rainy Friday na. Good morning. So it's the following day, Saturday, 8 o'clock in the morning. Here is Canyon Woods for you in the morning. Kanina umulan-ulan na konti and it's quite foggy. Ang temperature natin today is 24 degrees. So chilly, no? Baguio feels. Everyone is up except kay Mrs. tulog pa. So we're having breakfast. Manood sila sa kids. Of course, we're having American breakfast. Hot dog, luncheon meat, and corned beef. Ayan. So, luto-luto lang sila dyan. So, we're getting ready. Mamaya-maya, pupunta kami sa Yoki's Farm. It's 30 minutes away from here. Parang, it's a zoo. No? Magandang zoo daw yun eh. Everybody's telling us na okay naman daw yun. So, lahat kami, never pa nakapunta ron. So, yun yung main agenda natin for the day, no? So, see you later. So, Rian will swim. Mainit naman daw yung pool. Mainit?
malamig.
Oh, malamig. Oh, swimming na? Yan, yung bagong ano nila, pool. Laking bagay for the kids. Tsaka itong room na bago. Ito talaga yung hinahanap ng mga bata eh, pag vacation. Dati wala to. So, it's a game changer. Yung nilagay nila yung pool. Tsaka maganda. Parang medyo infinity ang itsura niya. May malalim, 4 feet, tapos may pang bata na mababa. Right? So si Mrs. tulog doon sa kwarto. And it's a beautiful morning. I like the weather. Ito pinunta ko dito actually, yung weather, no? So everyone's here. Swimming na sila. Lahat sila. Grabe, wild. Late na gising. Okay lang nagising si Anika. And everyone's swimming. The weather is still gloomy. It's 9 o'clock. So it's 9:30. We're just killing time. Ito sila nag-work.
Kasi pag kinalaps mo yung building
master plan. So yun, if you need quiet time to work, relaxing place to work, to focus on your projects, yan, pwede rito sa Airbnb nila Rian. Yan, siya may-ari. So we're just killing time. Sila Anika nag-swimming pa rin. Again, it's a game changer, the swimming pool. So may nagagawa yung mga kids. Then siguro an hour from now we'll be heading to Yoki's farm. So the weather is quite gloomy pa rin. Sakto lang yun, para di masyado mainit mamaya sa farm. So it's 11 o'clock. We are getting ready to go to Yoki's farm. There's the house outside view. It's about almost 40 minutes away from here in Canyon Woods. Again, lahat kami first time doon. So, yeah, medyo umaambon ng konti. But the kids are excited kasi syempre, farm. So, that's the main agenda of the day. Tapos babalik na rito. Alright, see you later. So, the whole gang is here. Ayan, puno. Full bus. So, we are on our way to Yoki's farm. 30 minutes away. Ito, magandang daan. Papuntang Canyon Woods na Sugbo. Masikip, pero mountainous and with a great view on the right side. Pero tapos na eh. Alright, see you later. Ito pa, meron pa. May magandang view pa pala dito. Zigzaggy road. Ayan, here. On the right. Yun. Ayan o. Tight turns. Tapos, major road. Narrow road. Ayan, may mga truck. Ayan. Yan. Yan, ganda view dyan. Dito. Here. Alright, the kids are excited. Yan, nasugbo. Marami rin mga meat. Batangas meat. Ayan. Stalls. Dire-diretso. If you want to look for fresh meat, Batangas meat, here you go. Yan, dami. So, Nasugbo Road, Tagaytay, northbound. Ay, southbound pala. Tama. Pag ganun. So, pagas lang sila, here in Petron. View of Taal. Ayaw ko kung makita nyo. Yan. Medyo wala naman traffic, but umaambon ng konti. A little bit of rain. Wala masyadong activity happening. So, magre-left ka papuntang Alfonso. Tagaytay is way over there. Patayin natin sila dahil nawala na naman sila. So, welcome to Alfonso. Alright. Ayan na. Mga liblib na lugar na daan. Papasok sa farm. Yoki's farm. It's 30 minutes away. Pero 6 kilometers away pa. So, mahaba-haba pa to. So, medyo liblib na. Exciting. Farm field. Farm left and right. Made it to the farm. Ganda actually. Labas. Tingnan natin yung furnace. Mukhang ginastusan. Tago. So, tago siya. Baba lang natin sila. And buti, kunti lang yung ambon. Kasi hindi na wala na. So, sana magdire-diretso. Perfect weather. Walang araw. Kasi I think it's outdoor. So I don't know how big the farm is, but everybody telling us that it's a beautiful farm. So let's see. Alright. It's 12 o'clock, sakto. Right, ayos no? Parang wala masyadong tao. Magkano isa?
Full package 1-1. Pag animal encounter 900.
1-1 per tao? Mahal ah. 1,000 sa tao. May card naman. Pwede daw card. So, ito pala. Basic tour, 400. Children, 350. Animal maganda yung animal encounter.
Yeah, if for us to do the animal encounter, you have to do the basic farm tour. And then let's do the whole package.
Oh. So full package na pero 1,000 isa. So wala, ganun talaga. May zebra naman sila eh. Kasi gusto mo ng animal encounter, imposibleng wala. So anyway, yun.
May 3 feet below pa
But we're just buying the tickets
Sino
now.
3 feet below?
So Anika is here.
Walang 3 feet below.
So mukhang maganda naman yung place. Let's see. Wala masyadong tao. Yun ang maganda. Hindi magulo. Tapos medyo modern eh. Yung itsura. Right? May food naman pala sa loob. Yan. So, yan. So, okay naman pala. So, pag nagutom ka, pwede ka kumain sa loob. Mamaya, let's see. Walang kakain din kami dun.
Fish farm. So yung farm po natin is 10 hectares but only 4 hectares na po fully developed.
10
So yun lang po
hectares.
yung mga iikot lang po natin.
Malaki.
And then the remaining 6 hectares is under construction pa naman po. So since ayan, full package po tayo. So lahat po ng activities is magagawa po natin.
Maganda yung layout, no? Maganda yung mga cage. Malinis.
Okay.
And the weather is nice. It's quite chilly actually. Hindi siya mainit. Which makes the experience more fun. Oh, Riley, ang ganda. Tutuwa ako sa belt bag mo ah. Belt bag ka pa. Oh. So, the first cage is the rabbit cage. Rabbit house. So, ganda oh. Feeding sila ng rabbit. Tapos malinis. Talagang, ang linis, nakakatuwa. Hindi rin mabaho. So, part of the package, close encounter, you can feed them. So, tuwa yung mga kids namin. Yan. It's a beautiful place actually. Ganda, ganda. So far, totoo yung mga sinasabi ng friends namin. Maganda rito. So, yan. Ang linis, kakatuwa. Talagang mini-maintain nila na maayos. Sila Jacob. Ang pangit naman niya. That's ugly, Jacob. Hamster. Guinea pig, guinea pig, guinea pig. Oh, si Gab, oh. Lapitan natin. Huy! Oh, ayan sila, oh.
Hawakan baka hawakan. Feed the rabbit.
Oh, ayan si Anika. Here we have the koi, ayan. Giant kois. Ayan. Siyempre, not complete. Ay, mayroong mga race, oh. There are race. You know, laki na, no? Grabe, giant, oh. Grabe, laki na itong isang to. Hope you can see in person. The camera doesn't give it justice. Pero ang laki. Grabe, ang laki. Kakatuwa, ang lalaki. Yan yung pinakamalaking koi nila. Si Lucy may pangalan yun. Yung matabang yun. Yan. So, 7 years old. Grabe. So, 7 years old na si Lucy. Kakatuwa, no? Ayos, so far, ako, nag-enjoy ako. It's a nice zoo, mini zoo. 10 hectares big. Pero yung developed daw is 4 hectares. So, malaki na yun, no? So, again, the ticket is 1,000 if you want to enjoy the whole package. I suggest you get the whole package to get the whole experience na rin. Minsan lang naman yan. For the memories, no? Tsaka may guide ka naman eh. So far, walang dull moment. Right? Nakasama yung panahon, no? Walang ambon, gloomy, walang araw. So, we are now in the giant tortoise area. Ito, lalaki. Ito, mahal to. The bigger they are, more expensive they are. Ito, giant to. Yan, giant. Kumakain siya. So, ayan, si Riley.
Wow, so big. So big.
Oh, ito sila. Maganda kasi pwede mong lapitan. So, matutuwa sila. Ayan, si Anika. Si Anika, excited na excited. Oh, ayan, dali. Pakain mo. Pait mo, pait. Wow, galing ah. Ayan, namala. Oh. Gutom na gutom. Oh, grabe. Ang lakas na kumain ah.
How about ate?
So, it started to rain, no? Konti. So, kung pupunta kayo zoo, remember to bring payong, jacket, and rubber shoes. Close shoes. Kasi nga outdoor siya. So, pag medyo maputik, hassle yun. So, we are now entering parang mga bird pavilion nila. Or ito may bubong. Ito maganda. Oh, boom. Oh, ito maganda. So, mga statues. Maganda mag-picture-picture dito. Ganda ng mga koleksyon na may-ari. Oh. Namatay na pala din may-ari. Bata lang, 59 years old. Heart attack. Pero yan. The collection. Mahilig sa mga statues, artifacts. Yung mga lumang mga artifacts. Amazing. Yung mga lumang ano pa, sa church. Oh, grabe yung collection niya. Matindi yung collection na may-ari na to. Ayun, mahilig sa mga vintage. Ito maganda. Grabe. So nice, no? Nakatawa makakita ng collection ng ganito. Mga bronze, mga statues. All over the world. Grabe, no? 2005 pa pala open. Pero since private nga siya, hindi binuksan pa noon. Noong pandemic lang daw talaga. Nag-boom. Dahil napuntahan ng tao, yan. So kaya siya very preserved. Kasi nga private. Private talaga siya.
Yeah, later po.
Where's the
Ganda ng lugar. Talagang inalagaan. Malinis. No? I like the cleanliness of the place. Yung ano?
12 tayo.
Dragon fruit, oh. Laki ng dragon fruit, oh. Ayan, meron silang hydro farm. So, kasama sa package, peaking. Hydroponics.
Nakabuo ng 10 kilos, kuya.
So, kasama na yun, mamimitas kami, no? Peaking. Tapos uwi mo na.
Kulang yung gulay mo, kuya.
Kasama sa package natin, kaya get the full package. Yan, maganda to. Yan, ang laki. Grabe.
Saan pwede mag-iwan ng ito rin?
Harvest time. Oh, gupit-gupit. Galing ah. Sige, gupitin mo. Yan. So, medyo marami kaming gugupitin. Ito maganda. First time namin mag-harvest actually. First experience namin harvesting. Yan. Pechay. Kasi sakto mamayang gabi, pag uwi namin, ang dinner namin, Korean. So, yan. Kakainin namin mamaya yan. Ganda, no? It's a nice experience. So, we are in the kangkong section. This is the romaine.
I'm gonna the rain stop
There.
already.
Kanya-kanyang harvest na. Ganda, oh. Oh, si Riley may hawak na rin. May hawak mo. Galing ah.
Like right come.
So, marami-rami. 9 kilos ang kailangan naming pitasin. So far, kaya nga. Wala pang 2 kilos. So far, ito pa lang. Pero marami pa naman daw. Marami pa naman daw na ganitong farm. So, maya. Dito, meron din sila na nagpipick. Parang yan.
Ano po, nasa 1.5 po, almost 1.5.
Kiluan.
Lista mo, ha?
Ayan. So, pwede ka bumili yan. Bibili kami.
Kaninong name po?
Fresh na fresh. Organic. Farm to table. Literal. Farm to table.
Isang bahay lang naman kami pupunta.
Meron silang malaking malamute, giant malamute, 5 years old, Bandit ang pangalan. Ako mahilig ako sa aso. I have Clark. Namiss ko tuloy si Clark. Bandit! Laki oh. Giant talaga oh. Tsaka mabait siya. You want to see the... Ito may cats pa. Oh. Pangit. Pangit. Hindi pangit. Cutie?
Gayet na yan!
Gayet na. Oh, gayet. So, maganda. Savannah area. So, African animals. Zebra. Wow. Malinis oh. Oh, ito. Close encounter. Oh, close encounter.
I want to touch too.
Oh. Touch mo. Sige, touch mo. Oh, touch mo.
Daddy, I'll touch me.
Oh, ayun, touch. Tapos may ostrich, yung galing. Close encounter.
Come!
Zebra! Oh, ang galing mo ah! May ostrich pa oh. Maganda, no? Animal. Ang bait ng mga to. At saka maganda kasi, look at the place, yung pagkakagawa. Very nice, American style. Tapos very friendly na nga sila. You can touch them. Then, yung layout ng place
Okay,
talaga.
I'll go look at the capybara.
Ganda ng cage and everything. Ayun. Laki ng ostrich, kakatawa. Yeah, sulit so far. Yung 1,000 mo, medyo sulit naman sa akin. Ayan. Sige, feed nyo pa! Feed nyo pa! Pwede rin pumasok. So, pinapapasok ka rin nila. Ayun, bait. So, may mga ponies. Tapos may mga bigger ostrich. Ayun, yung black. Papunta kami sa horse sa pony. Small horse ito. Close encounter with ostrich. Ayan, ayan. Close encounter with ostrich number 2. Ayan. Baby para 1-year-old lang yan. Type na type si Rian. 1-year-old.
Don't go near them.
Yan yung mga malalaki na. Yun, ilang taon na yun, yung mga itim.
Yan sir, nasa ano na po sila. 5 years old.
Ayun, 5 years old.
Oli ka na, let's go back.
Yung malalaki.
Male, yung color black.
Ah, black yung male. Ito yung male. Yan. Yung pala, baby pa lang. Ito. Yan. Yan yung daddy. Yan, ito. Laki. Can you guys see? Yan. Selfie with ostrich. Papa ostrich. Ayan. Hello, hello. Kulit na ito. Lumuhod. Napagod. Oh. So pwede ka magpa-picture dyan. Ayan.
Pagod na po
Picture sila. Ayan.
Daddy, picturean mo siya.
Stig, no? Ngayon lang kami naka-cross encounter sa ostrich sa ganito. Only picture. Thank you. Thank you. Bait mo. Sila Rian naman. Oh, nakisama.
Himala po yan.
Himalayon?
Minsan lang yan sir.
Ah, ganun?
Opo.
Thank you, ha. Salamat, ha.
Nagpa-picture po siya.
Nagpa-picture ka, ha. May playground din. Yan. Tapos we are in the aviary. Ito, mga birds.
Ito po.
Ito,
Spunky.
monkey. Psst, Spunky. Yung pangit mo.
Yung name po niya. And yung other monkey po namin, name po is Lovey.
Ang pangit mo.
Nangiti yan sir.
May pangil. Ito, isa pa.
This one naman po, si Lovey. Huwag niya lang po sir, lalapit po yung camera niya. Yan, bata pa po siya. Almost
Bata
months,
pa.
mga ilang months pa lang.
Months pa lang, baby.
Tapos may mga ducks po kami dyan sir.
Mga wild duck. Owl. Nice. Yan, inside the aviary. Itong kulit, to. May corona. Ito may corona to. Oh. Tapos peacock.
What is this?
So they allow you to go inside. To have more close encounters. Ito with the birds naman. Tapos may sounds pa. Oh, galing, oh. Malapit sila. May sound. Maganda yung may sound effects pa sila. So, para ka nasa jungle. Ayun, oh. Ayos. Ganda. Parrot. Wait.
Tama na yan.
Oh. Galing, oh. Tapang mo, ah.
Gab, come here.
Oh, ayan, oh. Ito mga ganda mga parrot. Ako, meron akong African lovebird sa bahay.
Kuya, tama na daw. Ayoko na, kuya. Ayoko na.
Oh, may bisita ako, ayun, oh. Ako, gusto ko nang bumili ng Sanconur. Ito actually, matagal ko nang gustong bilhin to, eh. Mga ganyan. Ayan. Ito, African Grey.
Ito sa kamay lang. No, not the lip. Ay, kinagat siya eh.
Hindi
Oh,
pa,
ayan.
play bite lang po. Ayan po, ganyan. Sa inyo na lang ma. Fingers lang po.
Ito, mabait din. Mabait din to. Pwede rin kunin ito. Ito, laki. Ayun, laki yun. Woohoo! Kakatu. Op. Op. Laki yun. At sila, kanya-kanyang bird. Kaya ka eh. Oh, ito. Yan o, yan. Dalawa sila.
Iramin daw po. Ito po. Hindi pa yun
What about that one on Tito Kaloy?
You want that one?
Yan. Dalawa. Ayos oh. Ayos to ah. Diba? Sulit. I'm loving this African Grey. Bait eh oh. Gusto ko tuloy bumili. Kahit isang kunor na yun, gusto kong bilhin. Yan, mahilig kasi ako sa ibon. So this is a treat for me. Alright, so eating time. Yan ang lunch pavilion nila. Ganda, no? Very clean, walang tao. It's a holiday, Saturday. Ay, holiday pala kahapon, Friday. Saturday today. So, yan, you can buy your food here. Masarap naman, no? Ito, fried chicken. Natin yung fried chicken.
Want this, Cap?
So, tapos na. We're just eating. Sarap po, fried chicken, no? We're just eating, tapos balik na kami sa Canyon Woods. Then, that's it for Yorkie's Farm, no? So, basically, the farm is great. Wala masyadong animals. Don't expect na maraming animals. But, ang maganda dito, very clean. Tapos, yung mga close encounter talaga. So, talagang close encounter siya. Kasi malalapitan mo, as you have seen in the videos. More animals for you. Lamas. Yung mga malimuts natin. Yan, nandyan. Tapos, may reptiles dito. The bird aviary. Yan. Tapos maganda nga yung place. Napakalinis, napakaganda ng setting nila. Yung layout, walkable, hindi madumi, hindi putik. Tapos may magtutour naman sa inyo. Tapos we enjoyed the picking. Ito, yung harvest namin. Oh, yan yung harvest namin. So, yes, quite expensive, 1,000. Pero worth it naman dahil yung mga bata, na-enjoy ko rin yung aviary, yung mga ibon. Talagang Anli sa ibon. Tapos, yun. That's it. We're happy with Yorkie's Farm. So, the plan ngayon, balik na sa bahay, merienda, sleep. Tapos, we'll have dinner. Pakita ko sa inyo yung gagawin namin dinner mamaya, Korean ata. And then, have some drinks. Alright? See you later. 7 o'clock. And the situation, it's raining really hard. So, second night na natin, Saturday night. Kagabi, umulan din during dinner time. And ngayon, mas malakas. Lamig. Grabe, sobrang lamig. Nasa 20 degrees ata ngayon. It's really cold. So, nagang sa having dinner inside. Dapat dito kami. But then, pumapasok yung ulan. Eh no, lakas talaga. Pero nagpa-fog na. It's very foggy. As you can see, ganda. Yan naman yung pinunta natin dito, no? So, nagsisimula na mag-foggy, but it has heavy rain. So, delikadong lumabas. At ang lamig. So, kinakain natin ngayon ito. Sa loob na lahat. Korean. Korean na may tilapia. Ano yun? Mas may ganyan.
Para sa bata, tilapia.
Halo-halo. So, niluto lang ito. Ito yung pinatas natin kanina sa farm. Farm to table. O, pang-match dyan.
Okay, 101. Okay.
Ito yan, Korean. Kimchi. Ito, binili dito. Malaking tilapia. Yung tilapia, binili na dito. Pati yung sugpo. Sa labas may mga binibentang sugpo. So, yan, malaki. 750, 6 na piraso. Masarap yung tilapia. Ito. So, yan. Ganyan lang dito style. Kain-kain. Tapos mamaya-maya, beer tayo ulit. See you later. Good morning. So it's next day, it's Sunday, and they are swimming. Si Anika, Richie, and Anna is swimming. This is our last day. Maya-maya, uwi na kami. So it's quite gloomy again. Yan ang weather natin. It's 9:30 in the morning. We just finished our breakfast inside. So basically, that's our trip here in Canyon Woods. Sinare ko lang. The main highlight was the Yorkie's Farm yesterday. Na-enjoy nila yon. Best thing about the Ukis Farm is yung open area nila dun sa may zebra and ostrich. Kasi pwede mong lapitan, no? Along with other animals. And the picking of their produce. So, marami na nangyari dito sa Canyon Woods nila Rian. Because they are constantly renovating it, improving it. Again, with the addition of the pool. So, it's a game changer again. May nagagawa yung mga kids para kung may extra time, swimming. Yan, no? So that's it. It's a memorable experience once again here in Canyon Woods. Kasi kompleto kami with the family and we get to enjoy this place. Yan. Alright? So that's it. Thanks for watching.